Welcome to this tutorial. In this brief tutorial, I will explain how to start investing in cryptocurrencies. I've had several friends come up to me over the past week asking me how to get started, so I figured providing a simple process in a video would be very helpful for everyone. So first off, I would like to explain we'll be using two different websites, Coinbase and Binance. And I made it easy for everyone and provided the links in the description of this video to sign up for both of these websites. The first website, Coinbase, only allows you to trade in three different cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. But it also allows you to purchase any of those cryptocurrencies using USD. So I'd like to point out that on Binance, the other website, this platform, we were able to trade a lot more of the large, mid, and smaller cap cryptocurrencies. As you can see, there is a huge assortment of cryptocurrencies available on the market today. So what we'll be doing is purchasing cryptocurrency through Coinbase, transferring it to Binance. Out of the three cryptocurrencies available on Coinbase, we will be selecting Ethereum. The reason being is its speed of transfer. Bitcoin takes too long to transfer, and the last thing you want is a delay in your trading because you're waiting on Bitcoins to be transferred between two different platforms. So let's get started in the process. As discussed before, once you sign up using the links I provided in the description, you will go to your Binance account. And once you've verified your account, go to the funds on the menu and then select deposits and withdrawals. As discussed previously, we will be using Ethereum to do the transfer. So what you're going to need to do is find Ethereum on here. I've done a lot of trading, as you can see, so I had to search for it, but here it is right here. Got it, ETH. So what we're going to do now is get the deposit address for Ethereum. There we go. And all you need to do is copy this address. You will be using it later in Coinbase. So hit copy, done. At this point in time, we'll be going back to Coinbase and log into your Coinbase, and then you will go to the buy and sell tab. Under the buy tab, you will select Ethereum because that is the deposit address that we're using to do the transfer. Now you have a few options for purchasing Ethereum, one being a bank transfer, and another one debit, and another one credit. So I would like to tell you, if you use the bank transfer, your limit is much higher on how much money you can use to purchase, but the cryptocurrency will take a little while to appear in your cryptocurrency wallet on Coinbase. So in order to have the cryptocurrency appear instantaneously, you would use your credit or debit card to make the purchase. So I'm not going to actually purchase any Ethereum, but hypothetically speaking, let's say I purchased $300 worth of Ethereum. And so as you can see, that is the equivalent in Ethereum, 0.35. And then you can see the Coinbase fee here. And then it shows right here, see, you'll get your funds, your cryptocurrency instantaneously. So to initiate the purchase, you click right here. Now I'm not going to go ahead and buy it. So I want to go to accounts. Once you hit that purchase button, you're going to get an email, and it's going to ask you to confirm the transaction. Once you confirm it, the funds will appear in your ETH wallet, which is your Ethereum wallet, and it will show a balance right here. Also, this send button will be active. It's not active because I did not purchase any Ethereum. So once it's active, we're going to initiate the transfer. And so you hit send, and then you have a box that will pop up, and then you specify how much ETH you would like to transfer, and then the address that you copied from Binance, you will now need to paste here. Okay. And then you hit send, and now the transfer has initiated. It takes normally between 15 and 25 minutes for the transfer to go through and transfer the ETH from Coinbase to Binance. Once it's transferred to Binance, you will actually get a notification email saying that the transfer has been completed. And then you would go back to this screen again, and you will see that this value has changed, and you also have a balance here as well once the transaction has been transferred. And so also, since we transferred Ethereum, this balance will change as well. But since I did not transfer anything, it's remaining the same. So now that we have a balance here, we are now able to go trade on the market. So to trade on the market, all we need to do is go to exchange and then basic. So here's what the screen looks like for the market view. And so since we're trading in ETH, we're going to go on the ETH market, as you can see right here where the pointer is. And let's say I wanted to buy the cryptocurrency called Centra, which is CTR ETH. And so as I can see, here is the price in Ethereum for Centra at this moment in time. Centra is actually a cryptocurrency wallet that is linked with a debit card. So you can use this debit card worldwide, which means you can spend your cryptocurrencies wherever these cards are accepted. I think that's a pretty cool concept that this company is coming out with. So to actually purchase some of this cryptocurrency, you would go down to this screen. And the basic trade is the market trade, which is pretty much buying the cryptocurrency at the best available price that a seller will offer it at. So let's say I wanted to buy 100% of my ETH balance in CTR. So all I would need to do is select 100% and it will actually show the amount. But since I don't have that much ETH and I didn't buy any, it's not going to actually show the amount I'll be buying right here. Actually, it just populated. I'll be buying 1 because I do not really have an ETH balance. But if I did, it would show, a larger number here. And then you just select buy Centra right here, and it instantaneously initiates the transaction. Now you have purchased Centra and purchased your first cryptocurrency. I hope you enjoyed this video and happy trading.